Hey guys, it's Semi-Car Guys here. Today we're gonna install this radio in his Ford Focus.
Let's do this.
Alright, but we're having a little trouble here because it's not going up and over this. Alright, we couldn't get these off because we don't know where the little release, little button or mechanism is. So we're just gonna unscrew these little little bolts. You can see them.
Got it. Got it out.
Got this bad boy out. Look at inside there. That is just ridiculous.
Alright, let's get this on. Perfect.
Alright. Look at that bad boy.
Alright, let's open it up.
Alright, we finally got it out of the box. It took them ages to get it out, but we finally got it.
Let's see what we got here.
It's looking crispy. Wait, you have screws back here. There you go. Oh, you shouldn't have done that. Oh, okay. Just like your decals on your car. All bubbly.
You're jealous.
I have decals.
Alright.
Boy. Alright, so another guy from our little channel is here with his G8. Well, man, calm down.
Vlogging right now?
Yeah, vlogging right now.
What's up, guys?
Just came from OU.
Yeah, hell yeah. I'm at school.
Nice. We have to splice and dice those things.
Every single one.
What are you doing?
Putting the radio in this. I should be able to figure it out from here. If I have any other questions, I'll call back.
Alright, well, if anything else, feel free to give us a call back at any time.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Boy.
Damn, they're vehicular. That's exactly what he said.
He's from,
Alright,
he's
so I
from
need
the
to-
south.
Those are easy.
Okay, I need wire strippers.
Alright,
Here we
so
go.
we figured out what to do here.
Just gotta get all
Where did this
back.
piece come from? Did you not see that piece or
No,
something?
I didn't. It was up there in the box. In the bag.
Alright, on to the next one.
Should I just strip off all these first?
Yeah. Alright, I'm just gonna chill in the back.
Alright, so we're putting this last wire in. Got all these spliced up. And we have a few other things to connect and we should be good. Alright, it's kind of a mess, but we have everything plugged in and then we're just gonna be setting up this stuff so it fits back in there. So we're just reading those directions and we should be all
Not
good.
there? Dang. Alright.
Alright.
Thank you. Alright, bye. See ya.
What you looking for?
My GoPro charger.
Oh.
It's not in Tokes' car.
Hmm.
And I need it because it's gonna die pretty soon. Yeah, it's blinking.
So we got the radio in, just making sure everything works, and it does. So now we're gonna be putting everything back.
What's up?
Oh my god, why didn't this go in?
Come on, don't break it.
Let me get a screwdriver.
It's like not even.
What's up? We're charging $9.95 for our installs.
What? What about the
What about nothing? That bitch looks good.
the other two screws?
Why is it
That's
radio stick
extra.
out a little bit?
Shut up, guys.
That works.
What's up, guys? We just got done doing some pulls in the G8. You should see them right about now. so it's all right. We're heading back home right now. Just gonna mess around a little bit. All right, guys. So here's the finished product. We couldn't really get it during the day because of all the glares, but at night it's looking so much better than the stock one. Let's see it with the lights off here. This way. Yep. Looks so good, and it works way better than the stock. It's got Bluetooth now, 100% better. All right, so we just got back to my house. We're probably gonna go inside and grab some food. It's been a long day.
Probably got some videos,
Yeah.
and we'll catch you in the next one.
Peace.
See ya.